Hello children, now this video is a second video in which we are going to do our notebook work. Okay, so as I have explained you about vowels and consonants in the first video, now in this video I will be giving you some points, some introduction points of vowels and consonants to write in your notebook, and then you will write the exercise part also. Is that clear? So I will explain you that exercise, how to write in your notebooks. Is that clear, children? So let's get started. Before starting, I want to tell you all that yesterday I have explained you about the formation of A to Z capital and A to Z small letters. Okay, so I hope you all have completed that yesterday's work like this. As I have written, you all can see this is capital A to Z, and on the next page this is small a to Z. Is that clear, children? Now moving towards our today's work. As you can see, this is your English language notebook, children. So first of all, on the top of your page, first of all you will write down today's date, that is 9/4/2021. Okay, and then you will give the heading vowels and consonants. Okay, make sure that you write all correct spellings. Is that clear, children? VOWELS is vowels and consonants, CONSONANTS consonants. Is that clear? Now in this video, first of all I will be explaining you how to write the introduction part of the topic. Is that clear, children? So when you will give the heading in the first line, then in the second line you will write down point number 1. Is that clear? And in that point number 1 you will write there are 26 alphabets in English language. Okay, so this is the first point for our vowels and consonants introduction. Okay, there are 26 alphabets in English language. I have explained you in this in the previous video also that in all we have 26 letters, alphabets in English language. Then second point will be these 26 alphabets are divided into 2 parts. Is that clear? These 26 alphabets are divided into 2 parts. कितने parts में ये alphabets divided हैं? 2 parts, and those 2 parts are vowels and consonants. Is that clear? Now the third point will be there are 5 vowels, that are A, E, I, O, U in the bracket, and 21 consonants. In the bracket you will write all the consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So I hope you all are getting my point, how to write these points in your notebooks. And please make sure, children, your handwriting should be very neat and clean. Okay, I want all your work in your notebooks to be done very neatly and nicely. Is that clear? So there are 3 points which you will write in your notebooks as introduction points for vowels and consonants topic. Is that clear? Now children, after completing this introduction part in your notebook, what you will do, you will turn the page, okay, and you will do exercise number 1. Exercise number 1, which I have explained you to count the number of vowels and consonants. That same exercise which I have explained you on board, you have to do in your notebooks. Okay, and please make sure, children, that you concentrate on these videos very carefully, as we are showing you the notebooks. In the same manner you have to write all these exercises, everything in your notebooks like I am showing in this video. Is that clear? So first exercise is of count the number of vowels and consonants from the words given below and write them. In the same manner, children, you will also write this heading of the exercise. First, in the first line you will write exercise 1, and from the second line you will write the proper question what you have to do in this exercise. Okay, now point number 1, your first word for this exercise is monkey. And children, make sure you can see I have written these words in capital letters only. Okay, so it will be very easy for you all to count the number of vowels and consonants. So you will write these words in capital letters. So MONKEY is monkey. Okay, so monkey will be written in this word monkey. How many consonants are there? You have to count how many consonants. This C stands for consonants. So in the second line you will write C dash, then V dash for vowels. Okay, now count the number of consonants: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 consonants in this word. So in front of C you will write the number 4 like this. Is that clear? Then you will count the number of vowels. So how many vowels are there? 1 and 2. So there are 2 vowels. So in front of V you will write number 2 like this. Is that clear, children? Now coming to the second word. Second word is elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. Make sure don't forget to write in capital letters. Okay, now you have to count the number of consonants in this word elephant. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consonants here. Okay, so you will write number 5 like this in front of C. Then you will count the number of vowels. So how many vowels are there, children? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 vowels in the word elephant. So you will write number 3. Is that clear? Now coming to third word, that is table. TABLE, table. So in this word, how many consonants are there, children? As you can see, 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 consonants. So in front of C, that is for consonants, you will write number 3. Okay, and how many vowels are there? So again we will count 1, 2. So there are only 2 vowels. So in front of V we will write 2. Is that clear? Now coming to the next word, classroom. Now make sure again this word should be written in capital letters only. CLASSROOM, classroom. Okay, now in this how many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 consonants. So in front of C you will write number 6. Is that clear? And then you will count the number of vowels. So 1, 2 and 3. So number of vowels in the word classroom are 3. Is that clear? So you will write 3. Now coming to the last word, that is aeroplane. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. So in this how many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 consonants. So you will write number 4 in front of C. Now children, coming to the last word, that is aeroplane. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. In this you have to count the number of consonants. So we have written consonants 4 because there are 4 consonants. Okay, now we will count the number of vowels. So in this word how many vowels are there? Let's check. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 consonants. Is that clear? 5 vowels. So we will write number 5 in front of vowels. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this exercise, and make sure, children, that you write exactly in the same manner as I have written here. Okay, it should be very neat and clean work. Okay, you have to improve your handwriting. Please make sure write very slowly and easily so that your writing will come nice. Okay, and I want all of you to complete this work by today itself, so that it will be very helpful for you all to practice. Okay, now again I am repeating this exercise, children. In this exercise you have to count the number of vowels and consonants from each word. So first word was monkey, and from that word we have counted the number of consonants, that were 4, and the number of vowels in this word is 2. Okay. Then in the second word, that is elephant, number of consonants are 5 and number of vowels are 3. Okay. Coming to the third word, that is table. In this there are 3 consonants, so we have written number 3 here, and 2 vowels, so we have written in front of vowels 2. Now coming to the fourth word, that is classroom. We have written 6 consonants, as there were 6 consonants in this word, and 3 vowels. Okay. Now coming to the fifth word, that is the last word, aeroplane. In that word there are 4 consonants, so we have written number 4, and 5 vowels, so we have written number 5 in front of vowels. So that is all for today, children. I hope you all have understood. So please make sure that you complete this work in your notebook and start practicing also. Is that clear, children? Till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.